You may be trying to build a squeeze page like this, and you want to collect lead from your audience and send them on a thank you page, and then you want to send them an automated email like this. Now you may be thinking it's too hard to create something like this, and you need to pay a lot of money to buy domain hosting, email marketing tools like MailChimp, and you maybe need to have lots of technical skills. But no, you don't need to pay a single penny, and you don't need require any technical skills to create a two-step funnel like this. Everything you can create for free of cost using System.io. Now let's create our two-step funnel. So for creating it, we are going to follow 4 simple steps. Step 1. Create your free System.io account. Step 2. Create the squeeze page. Step 3. Create the thank you page. And step 4. Send automated email. By following these 4 simple steps, we are going to create a two-step funnel like this. For creating a free account, just open the first link from the description below. Now enter your Gmail and click on Get My Free Account. Now open your Gmail and confirm this confirmation mail. Now type your password and retype the same password, and click on I'm not a robot, and click on save, and our account creation is successfully done. For creating this landing page, just come over your System.io dashboard, then click on funnels, click on create and write down your funnel name. So I'll just write down here recreating landing page. Then from here choose custom, and then from here choose your currency, then click on save. Now click the funnel that you have created just now, just click on here. And first of all, the first thing we need to create a step. The step means squeeze page. So for creating the squeeze page, just click on here create step. Write down here squeeze page, and from here select the squeeze page options and then click save. So our squeeze page has been created. Here you can see a arrow icon. So for solving it, you just need to select the templates. So let's just select the templates for now. Let's select this one. Click select. Now see, the arrow icon has been gone. So this is the squeeze page. Now let's create the thank you page also, because we are going to create two-step funnel. It means this is the first step and we need to create another step. So click on create, and this will be our thank you page. Now from here choose thank you page and then click save. And if we select a template, then this arrow icon will also gone. So let's select the templates. So let's select this one. Just click select, and see the arrow icon has been gone. Now click on squeeze page and click on edit page. Now we are going to edit this page from scratch, and we will build our squeeze page something look like this. So first of all, I will delete everything, every sections I will delete. Just hover your mouse pointer and click the delete icon. Now see, we have a totally blank canvas. So first of all, we need to create a 2 column sections. Like see, here he used 2 column, here the text and here the image. So for doing it, just click elements and scroll down below. Here you can see 2 columns. Just drag the column layout on here, and here we will add our text and here we will add our image. So first of all, let's add the image on here. So first of all, come over here. I will just download this image, hero section image, and then we will upload the image on here. So for adding the image on here, just drag the image element on this section and then click on the image and then image file. Just click over here and drag the image on here and then click insert, and the image has been added on here. Now we need to add the text. So for adding the text, just copy the text. I will just copy the first text and click on click this icon, and from here just headline text, drag the element on here. Now double click here, press Ctrl A to select all of the text, and just press Ctrl V to paste the text. So right now we don't know where's the font name of this font and what's the exact font size and what's the font color or font color code. So for seeing all of the things, here I have a plugins. If I right click here and if I click font info and then click here show all info, then see, if I click here, then it will show every details of this text, the font size, the font color, the font family, everything it will show. So the font size is 22 pixel and the font family is Poppins. So we are going to make the font size into 22 pixel and the font family is Poppins. So from here choose Google Fonts and write down here Poppins. Now we need to change the color. So for changing the color, I will just copy the color code from here, and then I will select all of the text, click here, and I will paste the color code on here, and our color has been changed. And now we need to make the alignment into left alignment. So just come over here and change the alignment into left alignment. Now how you can also see all of the properties. So for seeing it, write down here fonts info extension, then click here, and this is the extensions you need to add on your Chrome browser or whatever browser you're using. And then come over this website or any of the website, then just right click on the website and then click fonts info, then click on show all info. Then it will show all of the information. So just click on the text and it will show all of the properties of the text. So now we have add the first text here. Now we need to add the second text. So just come over here and drag the headline text again on here. Now I will just copy all of the text from here. Let's copy the text and double click here and paste the text over here. Now first of all, make the alignment into left alignment, and now we need to see the font name and font size. So just click here and see the font size is 43 pixels and this is the color code, and the font family is Oswald. So first of all, let's change the font family and also change the color. So I'll copy the color code, come over here. First of all, let's change the font. From here choose Google Fonts and write down here Oswald, and font size is 43 pixels, so we are going to make it 43 pixel, and I will increase the line height little bit. And now we need to see it on full screen mode. See, now this is going to be look like this. So see, here's we are seeing a problem, it taking lot of space on here. So we need to add some padding. Like see, if we see it, then see it have only this area, but this is taking more space. So for fixing it, just select the element, and here from the left side we need to add some margin. So from the left side we will add 100 pixel, and on the right side we will also use 100 pixel. And now if we see it on a full screen mode, then see, now it's looking almost same. If you need to add little bit more space, then increase the margin and then it will change. Now we need to change the text affiliate commissions into this color. So just select the text and from here just copy the color code. Come over here and affiliate marketing, just select this particular text, click the color and paste the color code over here, then press enter. Then it will be added on here. So this text is also done. Now we need to add this text. So I will just copy all of the text and come over here and then click text. Just drag the element over here. Double click, press Ctrl A, press Ctrl V, and from here change the alignment left and choose the color. Select all of the text over here, just and paste change the color into pure black. Now we need to change the font size. So click here, click here. The font 17 pixel and the font is Poppins. So I will make it 17 pixels. So let's change the font size into 17 pixel. And the font is Poppins. So Google Fonts, write down here Poppins. And if we see it on full screen mode, then it's going to be look like this. Now press the enter, add a break on here, then it's going to be look like similar to this. Now we need to add the button. So for adding the button, just come over here and drag the button element over here. And first of all, click the button. So here scroll down below and first of all make the button alignment left, and from here change the button text. So I'll just copy the button text from here. Sign up to the webinar. Okay, sign up to webinar now. Sign up to webinar now. We change the button text and now click the button. The button font size is 20 pixels and the font is Poppin. So make it 20 pixels and the font size is Poppins. Google Fonts, and from here Poppins. And here we don't need to add any subtext, so we'll just remove the subtext from here and change the background color into this color. So I will just copy this color code from here. Let's select the text or come over here. This is the color code. So click the select the text and copy the color code from here. Okay, one is copy the code, come over here and then click the button, and from here change the button background color into our selected color. Press enter. Here's on the beginning it have one space, so just remove the space and it's going to be look like this. Now we need to make the rounded corner into 100% radius look like this. So just make it 100 pixel from all of the corner, also make it 100 pixel and also make it 100 pixel. Now if we see it on a full screen mode, then see it's going to be look like this, something similar to this. Okay, here it's added a new line because my screen is little bit small. So if we see it on a full screen mode, then it's going to be look like this. So our hero section has been done. And see, if we click here, then this pop-up will appear. We will create this pop-up later. First of all, let's complete the landing page. So now we are going to create this one. So here, see, it has a background color, and then on here 3 sections. It means 3 columns. So first of all, we need to create a main section, so where we'll use the background, and then we will create 3 columns where we will use these 3 things. So just from here, first of all, just these sections. Okay, just scroll, just drag the sections over here, delete this one, we don't need this one. Now select the section, and on the section select the background color into this color. So now let's again right click here and fonts info and click on show all info. So background color is this, so select the text and I will copy the background color code, come over here and now select the background color. From here just paste the color code that we have just copied, press enter. See, the color is not applied because here on the very beginning it have used a space, so delete the space first, then it will work. See, now we need to add 3 columns for adding the 3 sections. So just click here and drag the 3 column element over here, and now see, it use only these sections, this much area. It means we need to reduce the margin. So click the row, these 3 sections, and then from the left side add 200 pixel, and from the right side add 200 pixel. Then see, it takes only this much area. Now from here we need to add this is the icon. Okay, first this is the icon, or this is the image, and then text. So first copy the text. I will just copy the text, and the pop-ins and font size is 27 pixel. Okay, so come over here, drag the heading text over here, paste the text, and then change the text sizes. So the size is 27 pixel and weight 400 pixel, and font is pop-ins. So change the font size into 27 pixels, make the color into white, select the text, change the color into white, change the font into pop-ins. So now it's look like this. Now we need to add this text, July 27, just copy the text. Here the font size is 23 pixel. Okay, and pop-ins. So let's duplicate this text, just duplicate this one, and double click here, paste the text and change the color into white. And from here just scroll down below, and from the margin, top margin, make it 0 pixel because we don't need any margin from the top, and also on the bottom, so make it 0%. So date, and click on date here. From here just delete the bottom margin, and now it's going to be look like this, date, and it's fine. So now we just need to add the icon, this icon. So first of all, let's drag the image element over here, and now here we need to add the icon. So for adding the icon, just write down here flaticon.com, then come to this website flaticon.com, and then we need to search the icons. So this is calendar, so just write down here calendar and choose any of the icon. So let's download this one, download PNG, and click on free download. Let's come over here, click the image, and then image file, then drag the icon over here, and then click on insert, and it's done. So here the icon color is white. So for now just let's make it black, and now change the icon size, something like this. Okay, so we have successfully create this row, create these sections. Now we'll just duplicate this one. Okay, so from here just copy this one. Okay, just this is the duplicate, just duplicate this one, and then drag it on here. Also duplicate this and then drag it over here. Also duplicate this and drag it over here. Drag this over after the date, and we will do the same. Duplicate, drag over here, duplicate, drag over here, and duplicate, drag over here. Now we just need to change the text. So come over here, I will just time, and then this is 12 PM. Copy the text, come over here, double click, press Ctrl V. So see, if you press Ctrl V, then it's pasted the style also. So press Ctrl Z and press Ctrl Shift V, then it will only paste the text and delete the bottom text. Sorry, drag this one on here. Okay, now we need to change this one. Okay, so come over here, time and live video training, copy the text, come over here, change this text into time, TIME, and then come over here, then double click, press Ctrl Shift V, and then change the text where. So this is WH where, and if we see it on a full screen mode, then see it's going to be look like this, similar to this. And now we need to change this to icon. So for come over here and then write down here time, download this one or any of, let's download this one, and then we have this one device, or let's write down here device. So let's choose this one and come over here, click the image and click here and then drag the image over here, click insert, then it will be added on here. Now just decrease the size. So let's see the what's the size we use on here, 60. So click on here, click again and make it 60, and then click on here and then again click the image and then upload, then drag the icon over here, then click insert and then change it to 60, and it's done. Our this section is also completed. Now we are going to recreate this one. So this is very simple, you can also do the same thing very easily. So let's create it. Now we have successfully created these sections. Now let's see it on full screen mode. So this is here. So I think we should use some margin on the from the top. So for adding some margin, just click these sections, click this row, and from here from the top we will use 50 pixel margin. Then it will add some space on, from the top, and we also add some margin on bottom. So let's make it 50 pixel. And now if we see it on full screen mode, then it's going to be look like this. Now let's complete this one. So for completing it, just drag the element over here again, just click this section, drag over here, and then here we need to copy the text. Just copy the text and then the text element, double click here, paste the text. And now first let's change the font. The font is, click over here, so font is pop-in and font size is 17 pixel. So come over here, the font is, first of all let's change the color. So select all of the text, click over here, change the color into pure black, then font size is 17 pixel, make it 17. And now let's see, if we sit on a full screen mode, then it's taking lots of space, so we need to reduce the space from the left side and right side. So for doing it, we need to add some margin from the left side and right side like before we did. So click the text and here scroll down below and margin, just click here, and this is the top side, this is the right side, this is the bottom side, this is the left side. So we need to add some space on the left and right, top side, right side. From the right side add 100 pixel, and from the left side also add 100 pixel. Now let's see it on full screen mode, it's taking this much space, we need to add more. So let's 200 pixel by 200 pixel margin from the left right side. And now if we see it on full screen mode, then it's going to be look like this. I think it's taking more space, so we will increase it. So click over here, make it 250 pixel from both of side, left and right side, 250 pixel. Now if we see it on full screen mode, then it's going to be look like this. I think it's fine now. Okay, now we need to add this icon or emoji. So just right click here, or just come to here and you can write down here 5-star, then you will got the icon. See, I will just save this one from here, and this is the image you use, so I'll just right click here, save image as, I will just write on here 5-star, then come over here, then just drag the image element over the text. Okay, just drag it over here and then click over here, then click on upload icon, then select file, then click on desktop. I will just select the image and then it will be uploaded over here. Click insert, and now let's make the size very small, similar to this, and let's add some margin from the top side. So click over here, and from the top side we will add 20 pixel, or we can make it 15 pixel. Now let's see it on full screen mode, it's going to be look like this. Yes, we need to make it little bit bigger, I think. So let's click over here, let's make the font size into 19 pixel, because I think it's so small. Now let's click over here, make the font size 18 pixel, and let's see it on full screen mode. This is our, and this is, we need to create in this way. So it's, I think, similar. And now we need to add this text. This is the heading, this is a text. So copy the text, drag the text headline text element over here, drag the over here, not on top, here, and then select all of the text, press Ctrl V, and it will paste the text. And now we just need to change the font. Come over here and change the font into Poppins, and now select the text, and from here choose the color into pure black, and now it's going to be look like this. Now click the text, and from here just reduce the margin top bottom 0 pixel, and let's make it also 0 pixel, and now it's looking fine. Let's see the font size. Select the text, the font size is 17 pixel. Click the text, click here, let's change the font size into 17 pixel, or let's increase the size little bit, 17 to 21, and yes, it's fine. Now come over here. Now just we need to duplicate these sections. So hover your mouse pointer top of the section and then just duplicate, and then it will be duplicated. Now here just delete this row, click OK, and now copy the next text. This is the another text. Just copy all of the text, come over here, select all of the text, paste the text, and choose all of the text. From here change the color into pure black, and then copy the text, come over here, select all of the text, press Ctrl Shift V to paste only the text, not the style, and this is done. Now duplicate these sections and come over here, let's copy the text, come over here, select all of the text, press Ctrl Shift V to paste only the text. Also copy the text, come over here, double click, press Ctrl Shift V to paste only the text, not the style. Okay, and lastly done. So our this section has been also completed. Now we need to make this one. So for making it, this is also very simple to make. Just come over here and then scroll down below, add these sections over here, over the bottom here. Now this is the sections, and this is the row. Just click on row, and we need to add some margin from left and right side to reduce the space. So we will make it from the left side, just make it 250 pixel, and then from the right side make it 250 pixel. Now we will change the background color into the orange color. So from here I will just copy the orange color code, select the text, copy the color code, and come over here, then background, then paste the text. And I think on the first it uses space, that's why the color is not working, so delete the space, and background color is done. Now see, scroll down below and click the text, copy the text. The font is 34 pixel and the font family is Poppins. So click here, drag the headline text over here, sorry, not there, headline text over here, double click, paste the text, select all of the text, click here and change the color into white. And now let's make the font size into 34 pixel. On the left side and the right side it used some padding. So first of all we need to add some padding from left side, right side, and on the top of the side. So click the row, and from here we need to add padding. So from the top we will make it 20 pixel, and from the bottom, right now let's make it also 20 pixel on the bottom, and on the left right let's make it 30 pixel. And if we increase it, then see, this will adding more padding from the left and right side. So we will going to make it 30 pixel from the left and right side. Okay, and now if we see it on a full screen mode, then it's going to be look like this. Now come over here, now let's copy the text, come over here, click here, and just headline text, duplicate this one over here, double click, press Ctrl V, select all of the text, change the color into white color, and now come over here, the font size is, click the text, font size 17 pixel and Poppins. So come over here, change the font size into 17 pixel, and the font family is Poppins, Google Fonts, and write down here Poppins. So it's done. Now let's add the button. So for adding the button, we just created a button earlier, so just come on top and then just duplicate it and click the setting, or we can just drag the button just drag the element over here. Okay, drag the element here first, then here, and now drag the element over here. And now click on here and let's make the alignment into center. Now our button is done. And here from the top 25 pixel, let's make it 0 pixel, and let's see it on a full screen mode. Now it's going to be look like this. So it's not like the similar, it use some border radius and it use more margin on top. So we are going to do it now. So click the text and from the top let's make it 50 pixel. Now click the sections, click the row, and we need to make the border radius. So here border rounded corner, let's make it 20 pixel, or we can make it 14 pixel from all of the side. Make it 14 pixel, and let's make it 14 pixel. And now it's going to be look like this. Do one more thing, just click the row and here scroll down below, and padding on the left right side, let's make it little bit more, 48, or let's make it 50, or we can add more, 50, 50, 60, 55, or let's make it little bit more, 60, 65. Yes, now it's fine. Now see, now it's look like the similar to this. So yes, and now one thing more, we need to add some margin on the bottom. So click here, click the button, and here on the bottom let's add 50 pixel, not 550. And if we see it, then it's going to be look like this, and it's pretty similar to this. Now we just need to create this one, this footer one. Creating this footer is very simple. So what we need to do, just come over here, drag the section element over here, and now we need to add 3 column. So for adding 3 columns, just 3 column sections, drag it on here. And now this is the logo, so I will just right click and save image. Let's logo, and drag the image element over here, and click over here and upload, and drag the logo that we have downloaded. Here you can use your own logo, I'm just showing it for the demo purposes. So just click over here, insert. So here the background color is this, so you need to change the background color first. So I will just click here, from here I will just copy the background color code. Now click these sections, click on the sections, and from here change the background color into this color. Just copy paste the text, and now click the logo and change the size into similar, and change the alignment into left. Now we need to add the text, so copy the text, and the text size is 15 pixel. So I will come over here, headline text, drag here, paste, and Ctrl A, change the text into pure white. Font size is 15 pixel. So let's make it first Poppins, and font size is 15 pixel, and let's change the alignment into left. And now we need to add this text, copy the text, font size is 14 pixel. So just duplicate this text, and drag the text over here, double click here, paste Ctrl Shift V, and our text has been added on here. Let's make it 40 pixel. And if we see it on a full screen mode, then it's going to be look like this. Now see, here it have more space from the left side and the right side, so we need to add margin. So let's click here and let's click the row, and from the left side and right side make it 250 pixel, or let's make it 200, and on the right side also add 200. Let's see it on a full screen mode, then it's going to be look like this. See, we have successfully created the whole landing page very easily. So now the landing page creation is done. Here now we are going to create this pop-up. So for creating the pop-up, just click on here pop-ups, and now click on add pop-up, and this is the default pop-up. So we are going to change this pop-up something look like this. So first thing first, let's copy the text, come over here and delete this text, and from here just drag the headline text over here, double click here, paste the text, and from here change the font size into 20 pixel, and from here Google Fonts, and we are going to choose Poppins. Now right click here, fonts info, and click show all info, and click over here. The font size is 17 pixel and the font family is Poppins. So let's make it into 17 pixel, and let's change the font color into pure black. So from here choose black. Now what do we need to do? Just come over here and drag the headline text over here after the after this. And now come over here and then copy this text, come over here, then double click, then Ctrl V to paste the text. Now the font size is 35 pixels and the font family is Oswald. You can see the font family over here, Oswald. So 35 and the font family is Oswald. So from here choose Google Fonts and write down here Oswald. Then it's going to be changed. Now we need to change the text color this. So click over here and then from here choose the color code into this. So copy the color code, select the text and click here and paste the color code over here, and it's done. Now come over here and then this is the subtext. So just copy the text and do one thing. Click the text and from here just scroll down below. Here it use some margin on the top and bottom. So we are going to make it 0 because we don't need any margins from the top and on the bottom. So make it 0. Now just come over here and the headline text, or you can just drag the text element over here. Double click, Ctrl V, and then we need to see the size. So 17 pixel. So come over here and make the font size into 17 pixel and select all of the text and make the color into black. So if we see it on full screen mode, then it's going to be look like this. Now we need to add the first name input and email input. So here already email input have, so we need to add the first name input. So click here and scroll down below. Here you can see form input. Just drag the element over here and click on here. Then you can see here input type. From here choose first name. And now here from here email, we need to change the placeholder text. So click over here and here you can see placeholder text. Just make the first day into capital letter and first name and email. So we have successfully added two input. Now we need to change the color. See here you can see the background border color is orange. So click over here and copy the color code. Come over here and you can see, scroll down below. Here you can see the color. Click over here and paste the color code over here. Then you can see the color has been changed to orange. And this way we need to change this one also, the orange colors. Scroll down below and you can see borders. This is the border color. You need to change the border color because we're going to add borders into orange colors. And now click this main sections and then click edit pop-up settings, and from here background color is this. Scroll down below and the background border color is this. We are going to make it into the orange colors. Then if we see it on full screen mode, then see it's going to be look like this. Do one more thing. Click here and then scroll down below and click here again. Click the email input and from here scroll down below. From the top it used 25 pixel margin, so make it 0 pixel. Now we need to change the button. So come over here. The button text is reserve your spot. So click here, click the button. First of all, change the button text into reserve your spot. So scroll down below and make the font family into Poppins. So Poppins and then reserve your, sorry, this is the subtext. So remove the subtext first because we don't need any subtext. Come over on the top and then here you can see button text, reserve your spot. Now so the font size is 24 pixel and the font family is obviously Poppins, so 24 pixel. And now we need to change the background color. The background color is this. So this is the background color. Just click here and copy the color code. Come over here and then scroll down below. You can see the background color. Just make it into this color. And now we need to add corners, border radius. So rounded corner, come over here, make it 100 pixel from all of the corners. Also make it 100. Then it's going to be look like this. Now do one thing. We need to add some padding because see, if we sit on full screen mode, then from the top and from the bottom it didn't add any space. So we need to add some space. For adding the space we need to add padding. Scroll down below. Here you can see padding. So from the top side let's make it 10 pixel, or let's make it 15, and from the bottom side let's make it also 15, and on the left and right side 100 pixel is fine. And see, now it's looking fine. One more thing, we don't need any borders. So scroll down below. Here you can see border, so remove it and then it's fine. Now this text, this is 15 pixel and black. So we are not going to change, just change the text color into black, and font size is 15 pixel is fine. Select all of the text and do one thing. Click the text, come over here, text color into, change the text into black. and done. Now if we see it on full screen mode, then it's going to be look like this, similar to this. So yes, we have successfully created our pop-up. Now click on save changes. Now click pop-ups, then it will be disappear. Now come over here, now select the button, and from here we need to change the action. So here it's send form, click over here and then click show pop-up, and then from here you can see the pop-up that we have created. So now when someone click on here, then the pop-up will appear. Let's try it. So I will click on save changes, and now click over here to see the funnel preview, and let's close this. See one thing, the pop-up is automatically showing, but we don't want to show this pop-up automatically. So how can we change it? So click over here, then click again pop-ups, then click over this icon and then click edit pop-up setting. Open pop-up automatically. It's automatic turn on, so make it turn off. Now click save changes. Now come over here and let's reload the page, and see this time, okay, close this one, come over here, click save changes, and now click this preview icon. See this time the pop-up didn't showing automatically. It means it works. Now if someone click on here, then this pop-up will be appeared, something look like him. So yes, this way you can easily create a pop-up. One more thing, see here we don't have any options to close the pop-up. So for adding the close button, just come over your dashboard and then click pop-ups, then click this eye icon and then click edit pop-up settings, and then here you can see show close buttons. Just click here and click on, and then the close button has been added. Now click save changes. So before save changes, so after fill this to form, we need to send him the thank you page. Let's see, let's test it on live. This is the real website. So here I will put my first name and then I will enter my email address. Then let's click here reserve your spot. Then see, after filling the details, it sends on the thank you page. So now we are going to redesign this thank you page, and now let's check our email first. Click more and click all mails. So actually his webinar has been closed. Okay, his webinar has been already closed. That's why I didn't receive an email. But see, I had tested some days ago, and there this is the email I had got. Yes, this is the email I have got. So before getting this email, I had got another email. I think that's this one, maybe. No, that's not. Yes, this is the email I had got. Okay, let me see. I think that's not the one, because he sent so many emails. Yes, this is the email. After filling those details, I had got this mail. Okay, so we have to do the same thing. When someone fill these details and click on reserve your spot, then he should go to the thank you page and then he should receive an email. So first let's click here, and when someone click here, then he will go to the next step. So click here next step URL. Okay, first click send form and then here click to the next step. So what will happen when someone enters these details will be go on the lead pages. So we will move those lead on a campaign, and then we will send them automated email using an automation rule. And after clicking this, after sending the lead, they will go to the next step, and our next step is thank you page. So now I'm going to show you how to redesign the thank you page. Now click save changes. Now close this pop-up, or just click here pop-ups, then it will be closed. Now scroll down below, click this one, and here also click here show pop-up and then select the pop-up. Now click save changes. Now see, if we reload the page, just reload the page again, and see if you click here, then this pop-up will appear and we have this close button. If you click here, then this pop-up will be closed. And scroll down below, here also happen the same. Now let's fill those details here and let's see what will happen here. So I'm going to here test, and then just write down here test@gmail.com, or let's write down here my own Gmail. Okay, I will write down here smithcmt1@gmail.com. This is a demo Gmail of mine, so I will put this Gmail address and click reserve your spot. Then see, I also come on a thank you page, and whatever details I have put there, those details will be appeared on our dashboard. Let's see, let's exit the page, and when you click on leads, just click the leads, and when someone enter any details, these leads will appear on here. See, this is the email we have just collect. Click here and see the name we had put test. So all of the informations will be added here. So now for sending them Gmail, okay, for sending them Gmail, we had to create an automation rule. So I will show you in just a few minutes. First, let's create the thank you page. Let's redesign the thank you page. Okay, so it is very simple. So I'm not going to show you redesign the thank you page because it's very simple. Just drag the text, drag the headline text, and then change the text, and then add the paragraph text, and then change the size. Okay, you can do it because I showed you how to redesign the full page. Okay, so if you follow the step by step, and if you redesign the full page, then you can easily redesign this thank you page. Now the most important thing, I'm going to show you how to send them automated email. So let's see. So for sending them automated email, first we need to create a campaign. Okay, so for creating a campaign, just click here emails and then click campaigns. Now we have to create a campaign. So for creating a campaign, click create, then write down your campaign name. So I will just write down here welcome message, welcome message, then click save. Now click here welcome message, and now click create. Now here we have to write down the subject name. So from here, see, this is words. Okay, this is one. So this is the subject name. So I will just copy the subject name from here, and I will just paste it on here. And sender name, see, this is the sender name. Here you can see. Okay, this is the sender name. So here you can put your name. So I will just write down here FunnelAnalysts. Enter your name or whatever website you have, just enter the name analyst, and then sender email. So here you can put any of your Gmail address that will from that Gmail address the email will be sent, and then click classic editor and then click save. And now we have to write down our message. So here I will just copy the same message. So click here, and then I will just copy all of the messages. Don't copy the unsubscribe here, it will automated added on here. Come over here, just paste the text, and then I will delete this one, and here I will write down here FunnelAnalyst, and then just okay, let's FunnelAnalyst. That's done. Now here we need to add the first name. So just from here, just copy this one first name. Just copy this one. Okay, so if you copy this one, then the first name will be automatically added, and it will be different for everyone. Okay, so just write down this one second bracket, then first name, then the first name will be automatically added. So this is the message we want to send them. Or if you have a custom message, then just delete this and then write down your message from the beginning, and you can customize your message by making it bold, italic, or whatever style you want. So yes, that's the basic thing. Or if you have any problem on this editor, then you can switch to visual editor. Okay, so visual editor is also so fine, so easy, so you can test both of them. So for now that's fine. Now we have to create it, save and publish. Okay, so let's click on save and publish, and now we need to activate this campaign. So I will so for now I will just make everything default, or if you want to change, then you can change everything from here. You can change by after putting the lead, after 1 minute or 2 minutes or whatever time later he wants to he get the email, you can set the timing from here. So right now I will just make it default 0 minutes. Once he put the first name and email address, within a seconds he will receive the email. Now click activate. So our campaign has been activated. Now we need to create a automation rule. So what is automation rule? So let me show you. So click on funnels. Okay, click save. Now click exit, and now click funnels, click this landing page, and now here just click automation rules. So it means when someone, let's click here add rule first, then final step from subscribe. It means when someone enter his address, and then click here and then click action, and see subscribe to campaign, subscribe a contact to a campaign. Just select this one, and from here choose the campaign. Just select the campaign we have just created, welcome message. So see, for creating this automation rule, So now when someone enter his email address here, okay, they will the email address and the first name, whatever input she will give or he will give, those inputs will be added on this campaign. Okay, so click save rule. So the rule has been added. So now when someone enters his email address, he will receive a message on his email. Let's test it now. So let's click on view funnel. Okay, now click here, then enter your name. So I will just write down here funnel 5. Let's write here funnel 5 and then enter your email. So I'll enter another email of mine. So just write down here. Okay, I will just write down the same email again. Now click on reserve your spot. So see, we have come on a thank you page, and then if we check our email, so I will come over here, I will check my email. So then click on more, and from here click all mails. So the email didn't appear. Let me reload the page again. See, now we have just received the email. See, this is the name we have set it, and if we click here, then see, this is the full message. So we put their funnel 5, so the first name automatic added here, and see, this is the complete message, and the unsubscribe button automatically added on here. So yes, this way you can easily send automated email. I hope you understand this one. So I think I have successfully showed you all the thing how this funnel is working. This is not the one, I think. Yes, this is the one. So that was it for this particular video. So if you have any questions, then feel free to comment down below. I will try to solve the questions or solve the problem whatever you're facing. So that is it for this particular video. I will meet you in the next one. Thank you for watching and keep staying with us. And if you need this complete landing page, then I will put the link in the description below. You can use it and then you can customize it by your own. So yes, that's it.